Hey guys, just a quick update on the pickup truck. I got all the firewall welded up. I did the trans tunnel and I did the pour 15 on all the original Dodge metal. Um, and here's a little tip on storing pour 15 that when you don't use the whole can right away. Okay, enjoy the video. Hey guys, just a quick tip here on pour 15. I opened this up a couple months ago, still good. Well, actually I didn't open the can. What I did was I poked a small hole on each side and poured out what I needed to use, and then just stuck a screw in it. Didn't let any extra air in that didn't need to go in to let the paint out. So because usually if you open these up, they just dry up and go hard in a few weeks. And this has been a couple of months and it's still good. So if you're using pour 15, this is a good trick to for storage. So I have all the holes filled in. Still got a lot of grinding to do. Filled in that spot here where it used to drop down. I think it was for some kind of latch for the hinges. I even filled in the heater holes. If I decide to use the heater, I haven't tested it yet. I'll just make new holes because they were in pretty rough shape, rusted around them. I guess the heater might have been leaking, or the heater hoses might have been leaking. So I just cut out the bad tin. It was all rotted out in this little corner around the hole. So I fixed that up. I still have this down here to do. And I've cut out now because I had to clearance this for the headers. So I have it cut out now. I'm just going to clean up the edge with a piece of sheet metal. Fill in these corners here, weld it all together, keep it solid. Both sides. I didn't actually have to do the driver's side to clearance the header, but I kind of like things uniform, so I did both sides the same. Now with this here, I have to glass it anyhow because when they stamp those or press those holes in, punch them, whatever, it left little indents wherever the holes were. I can't get in behind it with a dolly, so they're not that bad. Like most of them are like a 32nd, or not even a 32nd of an inch. The worst ones are like a 32nd of an inch deep. So thin layer of glass on that, and we'll straighten it right out. This here will actually end up being a leather band all the way around, I think, to match the interior. Same as on, I'm going to do the rad shroud the same way. This little step down here, it's where the hood used to sit. I'm just going to wrap it in leather, make like a leather trim for it, and I think it'll look okay. Okay, I'll get to grinding. Hey, Al here. I got all the firewall all welded up. All the holes are filled in, ready for glass. Well, ready to be, I gotta take a flap wheel and clean it up, the rest of it up, and then it's gotta be glassed. I have the trans tunnel trimmed up and welded, ready for glass. And I'm working on this section here. I had to cut this out to clearance for where the headers come through. And I got to do something with this, just a tin edge. So what I did was I took some round stock and bent myself up a little piece to weld in there. That'll take the sharpness off and give it a little structure. I also had to add a little piece in here to tie this inner frame section to the front. Okay, and I found a crack up here. I gotta weld that up as well. Okay, back to it. Hey guys, Al here. So I got all the holes all welded up. I've got the modifications I had to do down here all done. Trans tunnels done, all welded up, and pour 15 on all the really old metal. So a couple days from now, once this dries, I'll be able to start the body work. So I did all of the metal that the original Dodge metal. It was all kind of rusty and pitted. And Pour 15 is a lot cheaper than having it sandblasted. It does a lot less damage too. So once this is totally dried, I'll let it sit probably a few days, and then sand her down and start the body work on it. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, share, and hit the like button. Okay, and again, thanks for watching.